So today we will see how to visualize, means we will represent how we can represent on the number line non-recurring decimal up to some given places, 4 places, 5 places, 6 places. For example, this is a number 5 point, we are taking 5.37 recurring. That means recurring is on 7. So this number is 5.3777. There is no limit. 7 is recurring. 7 is repeating. So the question will be asked. We will come to know how to represent up to 5 decimal places, 6 decimal places, 4 decimal places on the number line. Otherwise, if I will ask you to where will be the position of 5.377, you cannot tell now. So today we will study that. So this question we are taking where we have to do it up to 5 decimal places, means we have to represent it up to 5 decimal places, means after decimal 5 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. Okay. So up to 5 places we have to represent this number on the number line. So how to make this diagram, just you can see now how to make this diagram. Okay. So you can do it with me, that is better for you. You can understand better if you will do with me. Okay. So just you have to draw one line, one straight line like this. You can have one straight line. Okay. Then you will keep your ruler to divide it. We need actually only 10 parts. We need the line is divided into 10 parts, not more than 10 parts. It's enough to divide each one into 10 parts. Okay, so we will divide it into 10 parts first, and we can start. We will have one from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this only. So we will have same, means this distance should be same actually, though although it is difficult for me to make on this one, but I'll try it. So this is 0, this is one part. Okay, one part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th part. Okay, now you can remove your ruler. We have the 10 parts. If it is not visible, we can make it visible clearly. This is our, you can say 0, this is 0, our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. So these are 10 parts. Starting from 0, 10 part. This is your scale. It is centimeter. So first you will check this 5.3 lies between 5 and 6. Obviously, 5.3 is greater than 5 and less than 6. So this will be between 5 and 6. So you need this line. You need this line again. Okay. So one more line we need actually. We will need more lines here, but same should be same actually, but again we have to draw the 10 parts. I was trying to get all as it is, but these numbers are not coming here. Okay, so again we have to draw one line which is divided into 10 parts. Okay, we will make another line, same 10 parts from the starting point. This is actually when, okay, so 5 and 6. So first we will make this big line. We can make the straight line big here, 5 and 6. This is 5 and this is 6. Then divide the another line into 10 parts. Again 10 parts. This is our first part. We should use ruler so that the distance should be same. So divide into 10 parts. Again divide into 10 parts. This will be your 5.0. Now after decimal we will write 5.0. We can write 5.0, and this is your first part, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10 part. So the last part you can make bigger. So this will be your, now see this very important point that you have to remember here. This 5 you will join, this 5 will be joined with this 5 because this is 5 and this is your 6, 6.0. 5 and 6, that means this part I have zoomed this part. When you zoom between 5 and 6, you will see like this. So when you are zooming it, we can join this 5 to, we will join this 5 to 5. Join 5 to 5. Okay. And this, join this 6 to 6. What we have done actually, this is what we are doing. We are just zooming this part. This between 5 to 6, when you zoom this part 5 to 6, what will you get? You will get 5. This is your 5. Okay. Then this will be your 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, okay, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9, and this will be your 6. Okay. So you will write this one. This will be your, you can write above or below. It doesn't matter. So you can write here 5 point, this will be what? 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.6. Because of not having the space, that's why I'm writing one above, one below. 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9, and this will become 6. So the next part is 5.3. Now we have to see this. 5.3 is between 5.3. Where is 5.3? This is 5.3. Okay. So 5.3 and 5.4. 5.37. 5.37 is between 5.3 and 5.4. So we have to zoom this part, 5.3 and 5.4. 5.3 and 5.4. You have to zoom this part. Okay. So same line, you have to make again the same line. Okay. And then again divide it into how many parts? 10 parts. Every time you have to divide into 10 parts, not less than 10, and the distance between the two parts should be same. That is compulsory. So we will make again 10 parts. Here again, we will make 10 parts. It is not necessary it should be below this one. It can be somewhere here, no problem. That doesn't matter. So we will draw 10 parts now again. So this will be our first part. First part. This is our first part. So first part we have to make somewhat bigger because this is the starting part and the ending part should be bigger. One, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 8 part, and the starting part should be taken with bigger lines. Then you can take the smaller lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, got it? So we have zoomed this part. Which part we have zoomed now? Because 5.3, 5.37. Now we will take up to 2 decimal places. Up to 2 decimal places. We can make the big scale also. Yes, you can use any scale. It doesn't matter. You can take 1 inch also this distance. Not necessary to take 1 centimeter because here unit is not given. You can take this distance, one distance as 1 inch also, but it will be a big, or 2 centimeter as one unit. It is up to you. So now you can see that it is between 5.3, 30 and 5.40. 37 will come between 5.30 and 5.40. So we will join 5.3 and 5.4. 5.4, and you have to join from this point. From this point to this point, 5.3. Do not join with this one. Okay. So 5.3 and 5.4. What we are doing actually, we are zooming this part. So you can show the zoom also. If you want, you can show by diagram. This is, if you see in the book, you will find here they have put one magnifying lens. So you can show this part as a magnifying lens. Also, you can put one magnifying lens like this. You can show also this is our magnifying lens. Okay. So like this also we can make later on magnifying lens, but it is not that much compulsory. So now we will write what 5.3 and 5.4. This part is zoomed, but we can make 5.30 and 40. After decimal, we can write as many zeros as we need. So 40, 30, and 40. So this will be 5.31, 5.31. This will be 5.32, 5.33, 5.34, 5.35, 5.36, 5.37, 5.38, and 5.39, and 5.40. So now again you need one more line. So this line should be copied and you can make another line with the same dimensions. Okay. Again you have to divide into 10 parts. Again you have to divide into 10 parts. We have a less space, so I am making less distance between two lines. You can make more distance. You can use your paper in the landscape form, that will be better. Okay. So we will draw the line till we reach 5.33777 up to 5 digits. We reached up to 2 digit places. Now 5.37. We have got 5.377, 5.377 we need. So 5.37. Between 5.37 and 5.38. Now the number will come between 5.37 and 5.38. So again, you have to draw 10 parts, divide into 10 parts. Similarly, that we have done before. So divide into 10 parts, same way. First part you can make big. First part and 10th part make big. And other parts you can make small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Now 5.377 we have to represent 5.377. So 5 point, here you have 5.37 and 38. So obviously 5.370 and 5.380. It will be between 377 will be 37 between 370 and 380. So 5.37 and 5.38. We will take 5.37 and 5.38. So 5 point and 5.37 and 5.38, and then every time we are increasing 1 0. 370, it can be written 380. 5.380. And where is 5.37? This is 5.37. To join it, 5.37, this part, exactly this 5.3, sorry, exactly this 5.37 should be joined with this one on the number line. Okay, do not join here, this part on the number line. And 5.38 is this one. Okay, you can see that 5.38 is this one and 5.37 is this one. Now you have to write the values. 5.37, we need 5.377, and 3777, between 377 and 378. So 5 point, this will be 5.371, 5.372, 5.373, 5.374, 5.375, 5.376, and this is 5.377, and this is 5.378, and then 379, 5.379, 379, and 5.38. So you can check. So now the next line will be between 5.377 and 5.378. Again, we need one more. So till now we got up to 4 places. Then we get up to 5 places. Up to 3 places we got. Now we will get up to 5 places. It's not difficult, Imran. Okay. Now again divide it into 5 into 10 parts using ruler. Okay. So you should use the
Sir, I am
ruler. I am
doing it
doing it
directly
directly
because
because
now
now that
we have
we have
to
to
save
save
our
our
time.
time.
So
So
this
this
is a
is a
suppose
was
one,
one,
two,
two,
three,
three,
4,
four,
5,
five,
6,
six,
7,
seven,
8,
eight,
9,
nine, and
and 10.
10.
9 and
9 and
10.
10.
1,
One,
2,
two,
3,
three,
4,
four,
5,
five,
6,
six,
7,
seven,
8,
eight,
9,
nine,
9
9
and
and
then 10.
10.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
now
now
5.377
5.7,
and 378.
8.
5.377 and
5.377 and
5.388.
5.388. 5.377 and 5.388. So 5.377, this is 5.377. So we will write 5.377. 5.3770. Then this will be 5.37770 We are just increasing one zero. So 5.377 is this one. 5.377 is this one. 5.377 and 5.378. Okay. And then we will write their values. So we can have 5.3771. The first number will be 5.3771. 772, 773, 774, 775, 776, 777. 5 point. This will be 5.777, and this will be 5.77777, 5.3778, 5.3778. Only these number I'm writing. You can write all the numbers. So 5.33. This is 5.3777, and this is 5.3778, 779 and 780. So these two again. Now these we have got the up to 4 places. Now last one, there we will get the exact value. So that is the last part. Do not worry. Now we have the last part, last line I'm making here. Inshallah, it will represent the last point. So this is our last line, where again we have to use the same way, dividing into 10 parts. So first part, then first part. This is actually first part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm taking rough distance. You should take exact distance, otherwise your diagram will be wrong. Now 5.3777 and 5.3778. 77, then 70, last zero. We will just, every time we are increasing one zero. What we are doing, we are increasing 1 0. So this will be joined with the last part, this one, and this is joining with this part, and this value as it is, write this value 5 point and add 10, 5.3777, 4 part 0, and this will be 5.3778, fourth digit. Now we got the fourth digit, we will get the answer. So 7, last number I am taking 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. This one will be equal to 5.3777, and this will be your 5.37771238, then 7980. So this is your final answer. So what, how will you represent your final answer? You can show one line that like this. You can make bigger line, we don't have a space, otherwise you can make like this, one line with arrow, and this is your final point, 5 point, or you can make also here, this is your final point that you wanted to make on the number line. Got it? So this one line you can make like this, and this will show that this is the point 5.377777, up to 5 places of decimal. So generally we are not asking up to 5 places of decimal, up to 3 places of decimal, 3 or 4. So here is the way to represent any number on the number line. So what we are doing, this we are just zooming this part. When you zoom this part, 5 and 6 will look like this. Again, zooming this part. So for zooming, you can make the magnifying lens you want. Otherwise, you can make the magnifying lens. You can show the magnifying lens like here. Then you also magnify it this way. So you can show here also one magnifying lens put, and then in here also you can put magnifying lens. Otherwise, no need to put magnifying lens also. It is not necessary. Everyone understood. So like this magnifying lens you can draw later on. Okay, so this is your final point. Got it? So how to represent on the number line? Visualize on. Now we have two questions only in our exercise. Exercise 1.4. You have two numbers. One is you have to visualize 3 point. Question number one is 3.6765. First question, only up to 3 decimal places. And second is, if it is recurring, then it will be written in the second question 4.26 recurring. So it is written up to 4 decimal places. Up to 4 decimal places. So that means you will represent up to 4.2626. This will be represented here up to 3 decimal places. Okay, got it?